In today's video, I will walk you through how to join a Zoom meeting. Most Zoom meetings begin with an invitation from the host. That invitation usually includes a meeting link and, in many cases, a meeting ID. You might receive the invitation through an email, a calendar event, or a message. Both the meeting link and the meeting ID take you to the same meeting, so you can use whichever option is available. If you have a meeting link, simply click it. Your browser will open and automatically redirect you to Zoom. You may see a prompt asking if you want to open the Zoom app. If the app is already installed on your device, confirm the prompt and Zoom will launch and begin connecting you to the meeting. If you do not have the Zoom app installed, Zoom will guide you through downloading it or give you the option to continue using your browser instead. Follow the option that appears on your screen. During this process, Zoom may ask you to sign in or create an account if you are not already signed in. If that happens, complete the prompt and continue until Zoom connects you to the meeting. If you want to join using a meeting ID instead of a link, open the Zoom dashboard from the Zoom app or visit the Zoom website and sign in. Once you are on the home screen, click the Join button. A small window will appear where you can enter the meeting ID exactly as it was provided in the invitation. Carefully type the meeting ID into the field, then continue by selecting the option to join the meeting. Just like when joining through a meeting link, Zoom may ask you to sign in or create an account before continuing, if you have not already done so. Complete the required prompts, and Zoom will continue connecting you to the meeting. Whether you join with the invitation link or by entering the meeting ID, both methods take you to the same meeting. After connecting, you may enter the meeting immediately, or you might see a message letting you know that you are in the waiting room. If you are placed in the waiting room, simply wait until the host admits you into the meeting. Depending on your browser or device, you may also see a permissions prompt asking if you want to open Zoom. This is a normal part of the process. Allow the prompt so Zoom can continue opening the meeting. Once the host lets you in, you will be connected to the meeting and can continue from there. That's all you need to do to join a Zoom meeting. Use the invitation link if you have one, or select the Join button and enter the meeting ID. Follow any prompts to open Zoom, sign in, or create an account if they appear. If you are placed in the waiting room, simply wait until the host admits you. After that, you'll be connected to the meeting and ready to participate. Thanks for watching.